Bonjour and hello to you all beautiful people. I hope you are doing fantastic. This is Dee. Welcome back to my channel in another video. Here in this video, I attempt to make a bifold wallet that has a Hmong embroidery design. Thank you so much for your love and support. Here we are starting with the fabric or the materials. You will need 2 outer fabric that are 4 inches by 9 inches, and 2 inner fabric, 2 pieces as well, 4 inches by 9 inches, and then 2 pieces of fabric for pockets that is 4 inches by 18 inches. And with one of the outer fabric, we are going to sew this Hmong Bifold design on it. This is optional. Here, let's start by sewing the Hmong Bifold onto one of the outer fabric as the design of this wallet. We will sew a rectangle around the edges. Go ahead and clip. I don't have those fancy fabric or sewing clips, so I just used paper clips and it worked just fine. Here I am just sewing right at the edge and then backstitch. So here I sewed all the way around. And now I'm making the card pockets with the 18 inches by 4 inches fabric. We'll start the pocket by folding one end by 4 inches and then flip that over, and we're just going to fold this using the method of folding a fan, a paper fan. And here I measured a cardstock paper that's the size of a card to help measure the pocket sizes so that everything is kind of equal. You can use the actual card for measurement, but I heard you should not leave it on the fabric when ironing because your card will basically be burned and won't be good anymore. And it's just so much easier to just iron right on top of the cardstock paper. For the second set of pockets, I had a better idea. As you can see, I marked 1 centimeter on the cardstock so that the next pocket would just stop there all evenly without consistent measurement like the previous one. It might look a bit confusing, but after a couple tries, I think it's pretty easy and straightforward. And actually, this is my favorite part of this project. I think I can just make or turn this into a living where I just iron pockets. So after this, then you can go ahead and sew the sides of the pockets to secure it in place. And now grab one of the inner fabric and sew the pockets onto it with the pockets facing the center. I know that inner and outer fabric is kind of hard to point out with my project here because all the fabric are just black. But you can kind of figure that out with your own fabric or design. So I'm going to clip all the way around and just sew all the way around. And there it is. And now put right sides of the bandao piece, which is the outer fabric, and the pockets together. And then just clip and sew two right sides together like the letter U, just like that. Leave one of the end open so that we can turn everything inside out. Make sure to get the corners. I think it's looking great. I was really happy when I came to this point. And then with the two remaining fabric pieces, which should be one inner and one outer, clip right side together and then sew two letter L shapes on it. This will be the little opening needed to turn everything right side out at the end. So do not sew all the way around. And ta-da! And just open that up. Do not turn it right side out. Insert the other piece with the bandao in pocket inside. So clip and sew all the way around. And I just sewed right on top of the same I guess stitch line that I did earlier. With paper clip like this, it's kind of tricky when taking it out, but overall it was pretty good. And here we'll just turn everything inside out through the little opening. And then kind of the last step is to sew the little opening closed. And here we're almost done. Just push or insert the inner piece inside. And that's where the money, the dollars are going to be. And then we are basically done. So this is where the cards will go. This pocket is deep. You can insert coins in there. And you can add zippers if you would like. And then dollars go in there. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. I hope you learned something and I hope you give this a try. Keep on learning and trying new things every day. See you next time.